Hi, welcome to my video about fitting a Salamander pump to increase water pressure. So at the moment I'm not getting much pressure. This tap's got a restrict on it, but still it's coming out really slow. There you go, 1.66 litres per minute. So SCREWFIX is selling this new one. It's about £233 without VAT. So I thought I'd better get one. So here we are unboxing it. Comes with everything you don't need, none of the connections, so you need to buy those separately. But since I'm replacing a broken one, we already have the connections. So here I am, isolating the old one by unplugging it and turning off the mains. Have our bucket ready so any excess water can drain out. I've also reduced the pressure in the pipes by running the tap once I turn the stopcock off. That's the pump removed. So here I'm swapping the fitments across. This is a 22mm push fit connection. The PTPE tape reduces the risk of any leaks. Screwing on the connectors, making sure that you don't over tighten. So now it's fitted, it's time to test it. I have an improved water flow. It has brought it up to 2.22 litres per minute. But this tap has got a restrict on it, so I think generally the flow is a lot faster. The pump starts working at a flow of 3 litres per minute. This is ideal for showers, but that tap with the restrictor, it wasn't kicking in all the time, but only some of the times. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.